Okay, I just installed the Hamilton Motor Company Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that uses the stock factory screen. I'm going to hit the start button to start the car up, show you what it does on startup. Normal Lexus screen. It does play the music just temporarily for just a second until it connects, but that actually the Lexus did prior to this as well. It has nothing to do with the system here. Music sounds just like normal. One thing that I did do, it comes with a Bluetooth connector. If you go into settings and go into system, you can use your car's Bluetooth channel instead of the one provided by the Hamilton system, and the sound quality will be just like it was stock. The Hamilton Bluetooth was definitely subpar to the stock Bluetooth. So went in, changed that. One of the things that they'll tell you to do is to go into your settings in the car, which you press and hold this button right here on your steering wheel. It takes you back to your settings. Go into audio. Instead of being in the auxiliary mode here, which is what they recommend you doing, you change this back to Bluetooth audio, and then you come back. You can press and hold this button here. Takes you back to the CarPlay, and then everything is as it would be on any other vehicle. But so far, that's as much as I've played with it. The sound quality sounds just like stock. The screens look, just like they do, in other vehicles that you might have. The one thing just to note on this thing, you do have to kind of press it, pretty firmly to, get the thing to do what you want it to do. But it will do it. And then sometimes it is a little delayed, so don't get too trigger happy, I guess I would say, but it does swipe and do similar. But again, that was too fast, so you just have to do it with a firm touch and slow, probably a little bit slower than your latest version vehicles today. So other than that, I like it. It's easy, keeps factory look. There's nothing else involved. The install took me maybe 45 minutes to an hour, so pretty easy to install. Everything tucks in right behind in the dash, and again, sound quality is the same, and if you do it through the car's Bluetooth. Other than that, rock and roll.